What's going on? What's going on? No data. The network. Let me know if you can hear me and you can see my screen. Let me know if you can hear me and you can see my screen. Let me know if you can hear me and you can see my screen. Let me know if you can hear me and you can see my screen. Okay. Okay, you can hear me, Mr. Health. Lucas Mohammed say you can see my screen, you can hear me. But it's still showing me a very poor network here. Still showing me a very poor network right here. I think the internet is coming up bit by bit back. Why on earth? Let me quickly share the screen. Let me share the link again. Share some few channels. Okay, I guess the network is better now. I guess the network is better now. So at least to an extent, it's still reasonable. So let's quickly do and see if we can quickly round up. So talking about DPPJPY, we're expecting DPPJPY to come and tap into here for us and probably, not even probably, activate for us and give us profit. Now the CHFJPY trade yesterday that we analyze, you can see. So this trade has not come. So let's hope. To say this trade has took out this place, I might be thinking twice, but this time around, let's hope it's still come to activate for us. So on BTC, we also have a setup below here. So we are hoping that the market will also do what? We also come there. Ethereum, our setup for this one is above. Even though okay, yes, I saw this yesterday. I did not just like it. I saw this yesterday. I did not just like it. If I go on 15 minutes time frame, there's nothing to be like here. There's indeed nothing to be like here. So there's nothing to be like here. So that's that about that on all this pay. As a matter of fact, at the moment, aside from the USDJPY, we don't have anyone that is presently. This will have been a good trade for us, but so painful. So let's just wait for the USDJPY to play out nicely for us today, and then let's wait for gold too. Hopefully, gold will also come and activate for us. So I think that's that about that for today. Musa, what's up, my guy? What's up? So I think that I've gone through all the pair I have on my watch list, and the only one that is ready right now is the USDJPY, and it's already running in profit. So let's hope for the best. Why maybe tomorrow we'll have gotten another setup ready, but all I have in my watch list right now, no pair. So if you have any pair you want me to actually look into for you, quickly let's look into that before we call it a day. When we started this live stream, this USDJPY was still at the entry, and I told people to enter if they are interested. So the trade is now in profit. You can still join if you want to. Still at the early stage profit, at least. You can still join if you want to. So, but if you don't have any question, if you have any pair you want me to actually look into for you, yeah, excuse me. Sorry about that. Alhamdulillah. That's my tissue. So if you have any watch list, any pair you want me to actually look into for you, let's quickly do that. That's one of the benefits of joining our live session. That's one of the benefits of joining this live session. If not, if there's no question, if there's no watch list, any pair I can analyze for you, then I think we just have to put it to an end. All we just need to do is look at our peers, look if there's any opportunity, and thank God we have one already running in profit. So that's all. If you want me to look into a particular pair for you, I look into it. We see together if there's an opportunity there or not, and that's all. Okay. So Musa then say we should look into USD cards. Okay. So let's quickly see if there's anything interesting about USD cards. Let's see if there's anything interesting about USD card. Okay. As a matter of fact, this trade has played out already. With what I'm seeing right here, it has done what it has played out. Our simple concept, here is it. We have a manipulation right here. You can even see. It's not even something I would like to take. Because, yes, we have a manipulation, but where is the break of structure? The break of structure is not clear. So, even though it's showing that it's on a downtrend from here, let's look at it from a bigger picture, weekly time frame. Obviously, it's on an uptrend from weekly time frame, but since here it has been running down, the traces continue to the downside. So let's go to daily time frame. Okay, from daily time frame we can see that this price did what? Okay, let's even verify if this actually took out any liquidity. Wow, it did. So it took out this. So for you to take out this liquidity, trust me, this pair is going to actually tank. Taking out that liquidity and then breaking this structure, okay, one thing is likely to happen. Okay, we are likely to come and take out this low, this particular low here. We are likely to come and take out this low right here. So based on the fact that it has taken out liquidity, it went to break structure, there's a retracement, and this retracement, for it to be complete, it must have probably come and take out this low. And there's nothing that said this market cannot just mitigate it and continue, because it's on an uptrend, but this is just interrupting the trend. So we don't know what the market wants to do unless the market shows us a clear direction of its own movement. So looking at it from 4 hours time frame, this market has done this. Okay, it's giving us a bullish and a bearish order flow until it came back, took out this inducement, and then there's likely, I'm still saying it, there's likely that this USD card will take out this low. There's likely take out this low. Okay, fine. Let's now analyze again. No manipulation. It's just high, low, high, low, high, low, and it has came to take out this inducement. Nothing serious, trust me. Nothing serious on USD JPY. Nothing serious. I'm sorry, USD card. Nothing serious. Nothing serious. I want to go lower than this. If I'm not seeing it clearly on 1 hour time frame, then there's nothing serious. Trust me. Nothing serious. Okay. Educate said AUD NZD. Okay, let's quickly look into that too. Nothing serious on USD card. AUD NZD. Okay. Firstly, it's looking like I've seen a setup. The setup I'm seeing is kind of tricky. Yes, it's kind of tricky. So let's look at it from a bigger picture. Let's look at it from a bigger picture. Where is this market coming from? Where is it going? On a weekly time frame, this market is consolidating. You can see it is very, very obvious. It's consolidating and trending up. Even though we had this massive push to the downside, but it didn't take out this low, so we are still going to count it as bullish, even though it didn't take out this high. So it is kind of consolidating. It didn't take out this high, neither did it take out this low. It's still just consolidating within this range. So there's nothing much on weekly time frame. Let's go to daily time frame. Okay, on daily time frame, market took out this, there's a manipulation here. We have a pure manipulation here. Do we have a break of structure? No. Unless we will use this manipulation that happened here. Okay. Having this manipulation here, and then we have our break of structure right here. So where is our inducement at this point? Our inducement is going to be here. You can see how this market, how tricky it is. Look at where the inducement is. Look at where it's starting to sell off. So, but normally we have two ways, two POI in this trade. Yes, it's daily time frame. It's either we use Quasimodo, which the Quasimodo I don't like to use, or we use the other block right here. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, when we come to 4 hours time frame, we can see that we have another inducement. Okay, looking at it from 4 hour time frame, we have another inducement, which now makes sense why the market had to come all the way here before it started selling. Okay, so our POI will not likely be what, even though I will not take this trade personally unless I can see a clear fair value gap, which is not obvious right now. So this market actually use this POI and even still manipulate it again. But the most important thing is that, did it take out this point of invalidation? No. So inside here we have another setup. So we have another manipulation here, because for what reason would the market come and take out this high again? That is a clear manipulation. We have another manipulation here, and then we have a break of structure to the downside. So you want to ask me where's our inducement? Our inducement is right here, but you can see market has left it already. That's one of those reasons why I don't really trade all these pairs. They are not just, it's not giving a good vibe, unlike the AUD that Mr. Suraj asked me to actually analyze the other day. That was giving a good vibe. All this one, everything is just consolidation. Okay, so now we have this. Where's our inducement level? I would like to pick this as an inducement because this is the only inducement that has an imbalance. And guess what? The market did not even come there. The reason why market is selling here probably took out this inducement, but there's nothing to bank on here. This is a very clear setup, but the market choose to ignore it and keep selling down. Even while it is still selling down, let's look at it. Is there a particular place that is sending this price back up? Let's look at 4 hours time frame. From there we can know if we have a setup. Okay, I think I'm seeing this. There's an inducement here. Let's see if it is that inducement. Yes, it was that inducement that is sending this trade back up. There's an inducement right here. Okay, so it was this inducement that is sending this trade back up right now. So now we can now analyze this. We can now analyze this as what? Oh, it's double bottom. What if shit. This actually took this out, but what I'm seeing here, it looks like, okay, I think it took it out. Yeah, it took it out. So we have a manipulation right here, and we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure right here. Hello, sir. Sir. So we have a break of structure right here. So now, what is our inducement? Our immediate inducement is this, and the market has took it out. Hey, which kind of pair be this? So now going to 1 hour time frame right now. Our inducement is this. Market has came to take it out, and it has used this breaker block right here. You can see. So there's no setup here anymore. Here that I will have said is our another inducement. Market has actually filled all the necessary imbalances that are here, and the market is now efficient. This one we cannot bank on it anymore, because inducement is what actually reverse price, and the inducement has been taken. So there's no point in the market coming back. If the market come back, it might just clear everything down, because inducement is what actually reverse price, and there's no clear inducement here anymore. So it has played out already. This will have been an entry, and it's playing out already. Okay, so based on what we have seen, AUDNZD has played out already, so there's nothing to actually look into anymore. Yeah, global taste, I think that's Richard. Is that? Good morning. So it has played out already. So one more analysis. I can still do one more analysis before I go. Can somebody suggest one more pair that I can look into? One more pair that I can look into. Yeah, welcome Richard. How you doing? One more pair that I can look into. USD card, nothing serious. HDNZD, the one we can actually get is playing out already. So if there's no any other pair on that you want me to actually look into for you, based on my simple concept strategy, then we might have to call it a day. We might have to call it a day. USDJPY is still playing around. USDJPY is still playing around. Let me even check. Do we have news today? If you have news today, I'll kind of like it because it makes market to move fast. Today being Tuesday on the 25th, no news. Am I right? No news at all. So market is gonna slow, but we've got to take it like that. Normal, market is gonna slow, so we're gonna take market like that. Basically, I don't actually look out for news. Like, I don't look out for it to maybe trade or not to trade. No. If my analysis is right, news is going to actually go in my favor. If my analysis is not right, that is when news can probably take me out. So I don't care about news. The only thing I care for about news is maybe it's going to help me to fasten the time that the trade will take place. Maybe it's going to actually help me to fasten the time the trade will take place. But aside from that, so if there's no any other question, anybody want me to look into another pair? If there's nobody to suggest another pair I can look into, then let's call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. We've tried. So I just want to make sure you smash the like button. It's absolutely free. Absolutely free. Ladies and gentlemen, if USDJPY break below this area, that's a good one for us. That's a good sign. If it breaks below here, if you have a break below this level, this low, that will be a good sign for this our sell. The fact that I broke below here is a good sign. Number one, retracing and coming back, you need it to break below here. Anything that makes it break below here is a very, very good confluence that this market wanna sell. Okay. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. So let's call it a day from here. Let me just see bye-byes in the chat box, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see you drop some bye-byes in the chat box. Let's call it a day. Let me see some bye-bye in the chat box. Let's call it a day. Let me see some bye-byes in the chat box. Let's call it a day. Thank you, Mr. Suraj. So we can definitely call it a day right now, and let's wait for our USDPY to play out nicely and smash our TP by the grace of God. So thank you, Mr. Health. Thank you.